You set your alarm for 5 a.m. It goes off. You hit snooze 5 times. Sound familiar? Most people think waking up early means suffering, but that's not true. The problem isn't your willpower. The problem is your sleep cycle. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it. By the end of this video, you'll wake up early, feeling actually refreshed. And I'll share one science-backed trick at the end that most people never use. Stay till the end. It's worth it. Here's the truth. Nobody tells you your body runs on a 24-hour internal clock. Scientists call it the circadian rhythm. When it's broken, no amount of motivation helps. You wake up tired because you're fighting your own biology. And the consequences? They're serious. Poor focus. Low energy. Bad mood all day. But once you sync your body clock, everything changes. Let's fix this. Step by step. Step 1. Fix your wake-up time first. Not your bedtime. Your wake-up time. Pick one time. Let's say 6 a.m. Wake up at 6 a.m. every single day. Yes, even on weekends. Especially on weekends. Think of it like tuning a guitar. You need consistency before it sounds right. Your body will naturally start feeling sleepy earlier. Within just 7 to 10 days. This one shift alone changes everything. Step 2. Get sunlight within 10 minutes of waking. This is not optional. This is biological. Sunlight hits your eyes and signals your brain. Hey, it's daytime. Time to be awake and alert. It boosts serotonin and stops the sleep hormone, melatonin. Just step outside. No sunglasses. Even cloudy skies work. 5 to 10 minutes is enough. This single habit resets your body clock faster than anything else. Step 3. Stop eating 2 to 3 hours before bed. Your body digests food and raises your core temperature. High body temperature equals poor sleep quality. And poor sleep quality means you wake up exhausted. It's not about how many hours you sleep. It's about how deep that sleep is. Finish dinner early. Let your body cool down. You'll sleep deeper and wake up lighter. Step 4. Design a 10-minute wind-down routine. Your brain needs a transition from go mode to sleep mode. Just like you can't brake a car at full speed. No screens 30 minutes before bed if possible. Or use blue light glasses if you must scroll. Try this. Dim your lights, do light stretching, take slow breaths. 10 minutes. That's all. This tells your nervous system it's safe to shut down now. Step 5. Set your alarm across the room. Sounds simple. It works like magic. When the alarm forces you to physically stand up, your body starts warming up. Blood flows. Your brain gets oxygen. And the urge to crawl back into bed drops fast. Pair this with immediately splashing cold water on your face. Game over. You're up. Now, imagine this. You wake up at 6 a.m., no struggle. You feel clear, calm, ready. You have 1 to 2 hours before the world gets noisy. You exercise. You plan your day. You work on your goals. That version of you, it's not fantasy. It's just biology done right. Here's the big mindset shift. Waking up early is not about punishment. It's about ownership of your time. The most successful people don't wake up early because they have to. They do it because those quiet morning hours belong only to them. Stop trying to be a morning person overnight. Just fix your biology first. The motivation follows naturally. Now it's your turn. Pick your wake-up time tonight. Write it down. Try these 5 steps for just 7 days. And watch how different you feel. If this video helped you, drop a comment below. Tell me what time you're committing to wake up. And subscribe to UltraMind Hacks, because we drop science-backed self-improvement every week. Your best mornings are ahead of you. Let's go.